Today we are going to start from 13. Let delta equals to 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab 2b 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square minus 2a minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square given. So now applying c1 dash equals to c1 minus b c3 and c2 dash equals to c2 plus a c3, then we get 1 plus a square plus b square 0 b into 1 plus a square plus b square, then 0 1 plus a square plus b square minus of a 1 plus a square plus b square and minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Now if we take common 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, then 1 0 b 0 1 minus a and the remaining is same minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. So after that we are just applying r3 dash equals to r3 minus b into r1 plus a into r2. So we get 1 plus a square plus b square whole square 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 2b 2a 1 plus a square plus b square. So after calculating we get 1 plus a square plus b square whole square 1 0 2a 1 plus a square plus b square. So we get 1 plus a square plus b square and 1 plus a square plus b square whole square remaining same. So after multiplication we get 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube, which is the right hand side given. That's proved. Okay. Next problem. In number 14, see that let delta equals to given minus a square ba ac ab minus b square bc ac bc minus c square. So that means a square b square c square minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1, taking a b c common from c1 c2 and c3 respectively. Now applying c2 dash equals to c2 plus c1 and c3 dash equals to c3 plus c1, then we write a square b square c square minus 1 1 1 0 0 2 0 2 0. Now after multiplication we get 4 a square b square c square, which is the right hand side given. Okay, proved. Note it down all of you. In number 15, see that delta equals to given 1 plus a1 1 1 1 1 plus a2 1 1 1 1 plus a3. Now taking common abc from c1 c2 and c3, we can write delta equals to a1 a2 a3 1 by 1 plus 1 by a1 1 by a1 1 by a1 1 by a2 1 plus 1 by a2 1 by a2. Similarly 1 by a3 1 by a3 1 plus 1 by a3. Now apply c1 dash equals to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Then we can write a1 a2 a3, the previously common taken. Now 1 plus a1 1 by a1 1 plus 1 plus 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 respectively. 1 by a2 1 plus 1 by a2 1 by a2, and similarly the same 1 by a3 1 by a3 1 plus 1 by a3. Now taking common 1 plus 1 by a1 1 by a2 1 by a3, we can write a1 a2 a3 1 plus 1 by a1 1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 with the determinant 1 1 1 1 a2 1 plus 1 by a2 1 plus 1 by a2 1 by a3 1 by a3 1 plus 1 by a3. Now after applying R2 dash equals to R2 minus R1 and R3 dash equals to R3 minus R1, we can write the common part, and 1 0 0 1 by A2 1 0 1 by A3 0 1. So similarly we get the value 1 of the determinant, and A1 A2 A3 1 plus 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 plus 1 by A3, which is given in the right hand side. This is proved. Note down all of you. In 15.2, see that delta equals to given A plus 2B, A plus B, A plus B, A plus 2B, A plus 2B, A plus B, A. Now if we apply C1 dash equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3, then the first column is same, that is 3A plus 3B, 3A plus 3B and 3A plus 3B. Next, the remaining two columns are same, that means A plus B, A plus 2B, A plus 2B, A plus B and A. Now taking common 3A plus B, now we get the first column 1 1 1, then the next two columns are same. So 3 into A plus B within determinant, applying R2 dash equals to R2 minus R1 and R3 dash equals to R3 minus R1, we can write 1 0 0 A plus B minus B minus BB, A plus 2B minus B 2B. Now on the basis of 1, we can write within determinant minus BB minus B minus 2B. After multiplication, we can write this is 3B square. 3 into 3 9, so 9B square into A plus B, which is the right hand side. Okay, proved. Write it all of you. In 16.1, see that delta equals to 1 1 1 x y z x square y square z square. Now applying rho 2 dash equals to R2 minus R1 and rho 3 dash equals to R3 minus R1. So 1 0 0 x y minus x z minus x x square y square minus x square z square minus x square. Now we take common from two rows, that is second row and third row, y minus x and z minus x. We can write 1 0 0 x 1 1 x square y plus x z plus x. Now we are multiplying in the basis of 1 in the determinant, so we can get y minus x, z minus x and y minus z. Note it down all of you. This is a very important sum, and this type of sum are normally coming in the exam. In next problem 16.2, see that delta equals to 1 x x cube, 1 y cube, 1 z cube. So now applying R2 dash equals to R2 minus R1 and R3 dash equals to R3 minus R1, we get 1 0 0 x y minus x z minus x x cube y cube minus x cube and z cube minus x cube. Taking common from row 2 and row 3, we can write y minus x into z minus x, 1 0 0 x 1 1 x cube y square plus xy plus x square and z square plus zx plus x square. Now multiplying with the basis of 1, we get, and taking common respectively, we can write x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into x plus y plus z. Note it down all of you. In 16.4, see that delta equals to given x square y x square yz, y square zx and z square xy. Now taking multiply x y z in each column, then we write 1 by x y z, that means x square y square z square, x cube y cube z cube, row wise I am telling, xyz xyz xyz. Now taking common xyz, we can write xyz by xyz cancelled. Now x square y cube 1 y square z square, x square y square z square, x cube y cube z cube 1 1 1. Now we can write x square x cube 1, that is c2 dash equals to c2 minus c1 and c dash equals to c3 minus c1. Applying, okay. So x square x cube 1 y squared minus x square y cube minus x cube 0, z square minus x square z cube minus x cube 0. So then after applying y minus x, z minus x common, and the remaining part after multiplying we get x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. This is right hand side which will be given. Now in 16 number 3 and 5 problems are same, then try it in your own. Okay, this is very important problem, all the problems of 16. So 16 problems are very important in the exams, so practice it properly. Now next one. Now in 22, see that fx equals to given 1x x square minus 1a x 0 minus 1a. Now applying c1 dash equals to c1 minus x c2, then we can write a plus x 0 0 minus 1 ax 0 minus 1 a. Now if multiplying we get a plus x into a square plus ax. Now if write f of 2x is there, in the position of x we can write 2x, that means a plus 2x a square plus 2ax, that means a into a plus 2x whole square, right? So now f of 2x minus fx equals to a into a plus 2x whole square minus a into a plus x whole square, that means a into a plus 2x whole square minus a plus x whole square. Applying a square minus b square, we can write ax 2a plus 3x, okay, which will be given in the right side. Note it down, all of you. In 22, see that delta equals to given a minus sin x cos x, sin x minus a 1 cos x 1 a. Now simple multiplication determinant form, we can write a into minus a square minus 1 minus sin x, a sin x minus cos x plus cos x minus sin x plus a cos x. Now we can write minus a square plus 1 minus a sin square plus cos square x. So we can write minus a square plus 1 plus 1, that means minus a square plus 2, which are given in the right hand side. Proved, okay. In 23, see that delta equals to given a b, a alpha plus b, b c, b alpha plus c, a alpha plus b, b alpha plus c 0, and also given a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c equals to 0. Now see that applying r3 dash equals to r3 minus alpha r1, that means a bb b c c, a alpha plus b, b alpha plus c minus of alpha a alpha plus b. So now AB 0, BC 0 and A alpha plus B, B alpha plus C minus a alpha square minus b alpha minus b alpha minus c. That means we are applying root 3 dashed equals to row 3 minus root minus row 2. Okay, so now we can write here a b 0 b c 0 a alpha plus b b alpha plus c minus a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c, and we know that this is 0 given, a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c equals to 0 given, and we know that the row 3 is 0, one row is 0, that means the determinant value is 0. So the answer is 0 here. Okay, note it down all of you. In number 24, see that a square b square c square a square minus b minus c whole square b square minus c minus a whole square c square minus a minus b whole square bc ca ab, which is given. Now applying c2 dash equals to c2 minus 2 c3 minus c1, we can write a square b square c square a square b square c square a square minus b square plus 2bc minus c square minus 2bc minus 2a square, and the remaining bc ca ab. Okay, change only the in second column. Okay, now after that the given cancellation, we can write a square b square c square minus of a square b square c square minus of a square b square c square minus of a square b square c square bc ab. Taking common minus of a square b square c square, we can write a square b square c square 111 bc ab. Now changing the position, we can write a square b square c square 111 a square b square c square bc ab. Okay, changing of the column means you have to multiply within minus, so minus previous also is there, so minus into minus plus. Okay, now a square b square c square common. Now applying r2 dash equals to r2 minus r1, we already done the previous sum, this part only, determinant part. So r2 minus r2 dash equals to r2 minus r1, r3 dash equals to r3 minus r1. Now taking common b minus a minus b minus c and multiply, we get the given right hand side, that is a square plus b square plus c square into ab into ca into b square plus ab minus c square plus ac. So taking common and multiplication, we can write ab bcca a plus b plus c a square plus b square plus c square, which is given in the right side. This is proved. Okay, now the last one, number 28, the delta equals to given xcr ycr zcr and xcr plus 1 ycr plus 1 zcr plus 1 xcr plus 2 ycr plus 2 zcr plus 2. So this is in combination given. So c2 dash equals to c2 plus c1, r3 dash equals to c3 dash equals to c3 plus c2. Now if we write the xcr ycr zcr x plus 1 cr1 y plus 1 cr1 z plus 1 cr1 x plus 1 cr2 x plus 1 cr2 z plus 1 cr2. Now applying again on the c3 double dash equals to c3 dash plus c2 dash. Now we can get the result, that is xcr ycr zcr x plus 1 x plus 1 cr plus 1 y plus 1 cr plus 2 z plus 1 crc1 x plus 2 crc2 y plus 2 rc2 r plus 2 z plus 1 c r plus 2. So we are applying ncr plus n of c r plus 1 equals to n plus 1 c r plus 1. So this is the determinant we are looking for, and the last part of the determinant we are now going to discuss applications of determinant. In application of determinants, we can say that the area of the triangle whose vertices are given x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, z3 is given by delta equals to half of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. In case of collinearity, these points then delta equals to 0. That means x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and 1, 1, 1 equals to 0. Now go for a problem. In number 8, see that in number 8, see that the points given a0, 0b, xy, and you have to prove x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Now normal, put the value over there. So a0x, 0by, 1, 1, 1. Now applying rho 2 dash equals to rho 2 minus rho 1 and rho 3 dash equals to rho 3 minus rho 1, we can write with determinant with against 1 in the first row. You can write minus a b x minus a y. Now multiply, we get ay plus bx equals to ab. That means x by a plus y by b equals to 1. That's all for number 8. Now we're going to the next problem. In number 5, see that the area of the triangle is given 1.5 square meter. Okay, so delta equals to half of 2x2, 313, 111. You have to find the value of x here. So plus minus 1.5, the area is plus minus 1.5 I'm taking here. So half into row 3, we are applying row 3 dash equals to row 3 minus row 1, row dash equals to row 2 minus row 1. So now we can write 2x minus 2 0, 3 minus 2 3, 1 0 0. Now plus minus 3 equals to x minus 2 0 minus 2 3. Now taking positive and negative value, we can write 3x equals to 9, that means x equals to 3, and 3x equals to 3, that means x equals to 1. And now number 6, see that collinearity. Collinearity means we know that delta equals to 0. So that means given b, c, a, c plus a plus b, b plus c, 1, 1, 1. Now you are adding this. So c1 dash equals to c1 plus c2, c2 dash equals to c2 plus 3d, and c3 dash equals to c3 plus c2. We can write here a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, c plus a plus b, b plus c, 1, 1, 1. Then two identical rows are given, the value 0. c1, c3 as identical, that means the values are 0. That means delta equals to 0. That means the points are collinear. Okay. So that's all for the determinant. Now we are going to start our next part, matrix. So in the next part, we are starting matrix. Thank you all of you. Take care. Bye.